Left hand with thread. Start with a ring, 3.5 millimeters. Insert the hook into the loop. Pull the thread out. Hook for braid stitches. Here are 4 braid stitches, as 1 long stitch and 1 braid stitch. Next, crochet 1 long stitch in the loop and 1 braid stitch. 1 long stitch and 1 braid stitch as a group, and then crochet 10 groups. A total of 12 groups. After completing 12 groups, tighten the loop. Pull through the braid stitch hole. And crochet 4 chain stitches. And then crochet 1 long stitch in this hole. And 1 long stitch in the next hole. 1 braid stitch, 1 long stitch. Next, follow this method. In each hole is a long stitch. 1 braid stitch, 1 long stitch. Finish a round like this. After completing 1 round, still in the braid stitch hole to draw up, crochet 3 chain stitches. In this hole, hook 1 long stitch. Then 2 braid stitches. And 2 long stitches in this hole. Next, in this hole, which is 2 empty long stitches. 2 long stitches, 2 braid stitches. 2 long stitches. Find the next hole. And 2 long stitches. 2 braid stitches, 2 long stitches. Next, repeat this pattern in each hole. Complete a round. Complete a round. Pull up in the first long stitch. And pull through again in this hole. And 3 single crochet stitches. In the hole, hook 1 long stitch. Then 2 braid stitches. And 2 long stitches in the same position. Then in the small hole in the middle, hook 1 long stitch. Next, in the braid stitch hole, and 2 long stitches, 2 braid stitches and 2 long stitches. In the small hole in the middle, hook 1 long stitch. In every large hole behind are 2 long stitches, 2 braid stitches and 2 long stitches. In the small hole in the middle, all hook 1 long stitch. After this round is completed, pull up in the first long stitch. And then in the hole. Repeat this for each round. Crochet 3 braid stitches. 1 long stitch. 2 braid stitches. And 2 long stitches in the same hole. Then, in the middle stitch, hook a long stitch. Repeat the previous hook method in the large hole. 2 long stitches, 2 braid stitches. 2 long stitches. In the middle stitch, hook 1 long stitch. Repeat this method later. Finish a round. Finish a round. Pull up in the first long stitch. And in the hole. Next, hook 2 long stitches on the middle stitch. The hook method in each hole remains unchanged. Only on the middle stitch. Hook 2 long stitches. Finish this round like this. Finish a round. Pull up in the first long stitch. Pull up in the hole. First, make 3 chain stitches. Next, on the 2 stitches in the middle, each with 1 long stitch. Two long stitches in the next hole, 2 braid stitches, and 2 long stitches. Same here. 1 long stitch on each of the 2 middle stitches. Two long stitches in the next hole, 2 braid stitches, and 2 long stitches. Repeat this to complete a round. After completion, draw up on the first long stitch and in the hole. Next, on the 2 long stitches in the middle, add 1 stitch. First, crochet 1 long stitch and 2 long stitches in the second stitch. Next, in the hole, Add 1 stitch between these 2 stitches. The rest are done in the same way. Only add 1 stitch to the second stitch. Complete a round like this. The next round. In the middle 3 stitches, each hook 1 long stitch. And the other stitches remain unchanged. Complete a round like this. Next round is to add 1 stitch to the middle stitch, and the rest remain unchanged. Now in the middle 3 stitches, hook 1 long stitch in the first stitch. The second stitch is 2 long stitches. And the third one is a long stitch. The rest is on the middle long stitch. Hook 2 long stitches, and the rest remain the same. Every round after that, the stitches in each hole remain unchanged. Each of the 4 stitches in the middle is hooked with 1 long stitch. Finish crocheting the entire body part. This round is to add stitches here. There are 4 rounds in total. No increase or decrease. The part can be adjusted according to your needs. After the drawstring, crochet a braid stitch and 1 short stitch in the same position, and 2 short stitches in this hole. Next, crochet braid stitches as a handle. Adjust the number of stitches according to your needs. After completing the braid, leave 2 stitches empty. In the 3rd corner, hook 2 short stitches. and hook a single crochet stitch in each stitch to the third corner. Next, crochet braid stitches as a handle. The number of stitches is the same as the other side. After completion, leave 2 stitches empty. In the third corner, crochet 2 short stitches. And crochet short stitches in the back until the end of this round. After completing 1 round, pull up on the first short stitch. Then back to the back to draw the needle. Braided stitches. Pull 1 thread from the braid stitch to make a draw. This completes 1 round of drawing. Cut the thread after completing a round. Pull the thread from under the first stitch. Pull it through. And pull it out from below. Hide the thread and inside the fabric. A gentle handbag is completed. Quickly invite your bestie to crochet together.